Hello students, let us see the JEE Mains problem from the 2021. Question is bond angle and shape of I3 minus molecule. Okay. So if you see I3 minus molecule, student, I3 minus. So how is the structure? If you talk about it, is I2 minus, right? I2 minus. If you see this is the central atom. This is the central atom. So total iodine belongs to group number 17. No, group 17. So group 17 means 7 valence electron. Okay student, 7 valence electron. So if it is 7 valence electron and 1 negative charge, so 8 valence electron. Okay, 8 valence electron. Up dear student, if it is 8 valence electron, so let us try to figure it out how the structure is. A structure is something like that, I and here is negative charge. Okay, so means 2 bond pair. Okay, so 2 bond pair is there, 2 bond pair. So 2 electron involved in the bond formation. So how many electrons are left? So 3 lone pair is left, 3 lone pair left. Okay student, so 3 lone pair means how many? 6 electron, 3 lone pair, and 2 bond pair means 2, total 8 electron. Now total pair, if you talk about total pair, how many pair? That is 3 to 5 pair, 5 pair. And according to BSc PR3, if 5 pair are there, the shape is what, student? Trigonal. Geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal, right student? Trigonal bipyramidal. So dear students, you try to see the geometry of this, this molecule. Geometry means distribution of lone pair and bond pair electron. So here is I is the central one. So one I is going to be this side, another I is going to be this side. One lone pair is here, another lone pair is here, another lone pair is here. So this is how the distribution. So you can check it out. The geometry is what? Trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, now they will ask the shape. What is the shape, student? You know this lone pair and bond pair. Lone pair electron do not participate in the bond formation. So the shape is what, student? Linear shape. This is the linear shape. This is shape is linear. So bond angle how much, student? 180 degree. So bond angle 180 degree. So 180 and 180. So C and D are wrong. Now A and B are left. Now let us try to understand the let us try to understand the hybridization. Okay. So dear student, how can you be able to understand the hybridization? Let us try to understand. Hybridization is very easy only. Wait student, wait. So dear student, if you see that is I and I are negative charges there. So how can you hybridization of this molecule? Hybridization, if you are adding, so what is 1 by 2? B plus M minus C plus A. So 1 by 2, number of valence electron, how many are there? 7. Monovalent, how are there, student? 2. 1, 2. Negative charges, how many? Minus 1, equal to this is there. So solve it out. 1 by 2, 7 to 9, 9 1 10. So 10. So 10 means 2 5 5. So it is what is, student? sp3d2. Shape C, student. sp3 4 and D, sp3d. So correct option is option number A, students. sp3d. 1s 3p means 4 and 1d 5. So this is our answers. Here option number A is correct. Here you can see. So this is our required answer, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.